Okay, so our last progression of these chin retractions is going to be a chin retraction with extension. Okay, so rather than just retracting our chin back, we're going to add a little bit of extension to get even further range of motion. Okay, so what you're going to do, again, sitting upright, facing forward, you're going to jut your chin out forward, tuck it back like our typical chin retraction, but then you're going to add an extension. So you're going to keep yourself nice and tall. All the motion should be coming from your neck. So extending or retracting back, and then extending back, going as far as you can, and then being careful to come up, tucking your chin, coming back to neutral, jutting that chin forward, retracting back, extending, tucking down, forward, back, and extending. So this is a great way to kind of stretch out, mobilize the lower cervical segments, as well as strengthening these muscles deep in your neck. Okay, give it a try.